This is another episode of Christopher Reads the Help File. This is Autodesk Vault and the Prospector Tree, or Autodesk Vault Projects Part 2. Topics in this section include About Vault and the Prospector Tree. Thought we already did that one. The master view of the Prospector Tree contains 4 collections related to drawings and projects: open drawings, projects, data shortcuts, and drawing templates. About project item state icons. The project item state icons in the Prospector Tree identify the state of the local project drawing in relation to the master copy in the Vault database. About drawing item state locations. The drawing item state icons in the Prospector and Settings trees identify whether an object is locked, is a reference, or is being referenced as shown in the following table. The following table is missing. So I'll go ahead and submit that. About Vault and the Prospector Tree. The master view of the Prospector Tree contains 4 collections related to drawings and projects: open drawings, project, data shortcuts, and drawing templates. Note: to view all the collections in the Prospector Tree, select Master View from the list at the top of the Prospector tab. Refresh updates project data that is shown in Prospector. It is available when you are logged into Vault and you have selected the top-level projects node, an individual project node, or vaulted drawing. Open drawings. List open project and non-project drawings. Projects. List the Vault projects available to you after you have logged into a Vault server and a Vault database. Note: the projects collection is available in Prospector only if you have installed Autodesk Vault Professional. If you have installed Autodesk Vault Basic, the Vault interface is not integrated with the Autodesk Civil 3D and is identical to Autodesk Vault Basic for AutoCAD. Note: a Vault database must be configured for use with Autodesk Civil 3D before it can be accessed in the Prospector Tree. Data shortcuts. List the data shortcuts projects available to you. Drawing templates. List the available drawing templates. About project item state icons. The project item state icons in the Prospector Tree identify the state of a local project drawing in relation to the master copy in the Vault database. The icons are displayed next to drawings that have been added to the project, indicating the state of the drawing on your system, your local copy, in relation to the latest version of the master copy in the drawing in the Vault database. An icon that is displayed next to a project object in a project object collection, such as surfaces or alignments, indicates the state of the project object source drawing. The project item state icons are shown in the following table. Hey, there's the table. If no icon is displayed, then the drawing has been added to the project, but you do not have a local copy. If it's a circle with no color, the drawing is available to be checked out, and the version of the master copy in the Vault database matches your local copy. A circle with looks like yellow or orange, the drawing is available to be checked out, but your local copy is newer than the latest version in the Vault database. This usually means that you changed the local copy without checking it out. The red stop sign symbol, I guess. The drawing is available to be checked out, and your local copy is older than the latest version in the Vault database. Checkbox, checkmark. The drawing is checked out to you, but you do not have a local copy of the object. Checkbox with the circle. The drawing is checked out to you, and the version in the drawing in the Vault database matches your local copy. Checkbox with the yellow or green or orange or something color. The drawing is checked out to you, and your local copy is newer than the latest version in the Vault database. This usually means that you have changed the drawing since you checked it out. A black and white circle or stop sign. I guess it's a circle. The local copy of the file is the released version of the latest version, but is not the latest version of the latest revision. This typically happens when you have a local copy of the release version, but a quick change has been executed by another user. A circle with a plus on it. The file is not in the Vault. You can add the fault by using the check-in feature. A triangle. The local copy is a historical version of the leading version in the vault. The red refresh button. The local copy of the file does not match the latest version in the vault. Use the refresh from vault feature to obtain the latest version of the file. A lock. The file is locked and the local copy is up to date. A gray lock. The file is locked and the local copy is not up to date. A circle with an eye in it that has a yellow background. There has been an unexpected result with the file. For example, the local file has been changed without being checked out. See the tooltip for more information. A checkbox with a red stop sign. The drawing is checked out to you and your local copy is older than the latest version in the Vault database. A checkbox or a blue cross mark. The drawing is checked out to someone else and you do not have a local copy. A little time symbol with a circle around it. The drawing is checked out to someone else and your local copy matches the latest version in the Vault database. A little plus sign with a green circle. The drawing is checked out to someone else and your local copy is newer than the latest version in the Vault database. A little time symbol with red, I guess. The drawing is checked out to someone else and your local copy is older than the latest version in the Vault database. That's not confusing whatsoever. It's like really lots of stuff to learn if you use it. I guess that's why not a lot of people used it or use it. When your drawing contains a reference to a shared object and the local copy of the source drawing becomes out of date, the circle with an eye in it is displayed next to the drawing name in the prospector project tree. This generally occurs when someone adds a newer version of the project object source drawing to the project. You can synchronize drawing data to update the reference object. The project collection list views. Use the list views displayed in the project collection to obtain information about the drawings and shared objects in the project. Note: to view the project's collection in the prospector tree, select Master View from the list at the top of the Prospector tab. Click a collection in the Prospector tree, Projects Collection, display a list view. If the selected item is a project, the following information is displayed in the list view: project name, description, user of the name of the person who created the project, date of the project was created. If the selected item is a collection or folder containing drawing files, the following information is displayed in the list view: name, version, username of the person who created this version, date checked in, comment. If the selected item is a collection containing shared objects, the following information is displayed in the list view: object name, source drawing name, and description. About drawing state icons. The drawing item state icons in the prospector and settings tree identify whether an object is locked, is a reference, or is being referenced, as shown in the following table. A little pencil with a red circle with a line, horizontal line, object is locked. A little triangle, object is being referenced by another triangle. A little database symbol, the object is a reference to an object in another drawing. Drawing item icons. The drawing item icons in the prospector tree identify an object that is out of date or violates constraints, and also identifies the state of the local copy of a project object. The following table explains the meaning of the three individual drawing item icons. The home base with the exclamation point, the object is out of date or violates constraints. A triangle pointing to the bottom left, the project object is more recent than the local copy. A little triangle pointing to the bottom right, the local copy of the project object no longer matches the project version, which means that you have edited it. The following table lists all of the combination of the drawing icons. So I guess that's where we get the home plate symbol, because those triangles fit nicely within them. Note, some of the above icons are displayed only in the points list view. And so this concludes another episode of Christopher Reads the Help Files, Projects, Autodesk Vault Projects, Autodesk Vault, and the Prospector Tree.